Good afternoon, everybody. Mo is here from Wall Street for Main Street, and I'm going to do a video and look at the chart in the aftermath of the 2016 election. I know the market caught a lot of people by surprise by the reaction when Trump won the election. So let's look at the chart real quick. So this is the SPY, which a good ETF to look at if you are tracking the S&P 500. Now, to everybody's surprise, the market actually went up after he won the election. A lot of people were predicting that it would we'll see a lot of volatility to the downside, but I guess Wall Street likes his economic plan, which includes stimulus and tax cuts, which would probably accelerate the debt and the deficit. And I guess Wall Street was fine with that. So the market reacted positively to that and went up. As you can see here, it opened up with a gap and trended up. And then now we're seeing a classic indicator that the market had topped. You could see the candlestick right here that's red. This is what we call a spinning top. So, because you see the body here was a long shadow. You could also call it a hammer, but I think this is a spinning top, and you could see the volume was high. So I think the market has topped now, and we're probably going to see it consolidate or maybe go back down. We'll see. So to everybody's surprise, it actually went up. So I guess Wall Street wasn't as bearish on Donald Trump as everybody predicted. Um, Another market that got smashed, especially today, was gold and silver. Let's look at the silver market. And silver today got smashed on a high volume. So hopefully the support here at $17.36 will hold. If it doesn't, then we're looking at the price of silver dropping. It could drop all the way down to 16. So we'll see. So just keep your eye on it. And if you are bullish on gold and silver, this is a great time to buy. Either the physical metal or the mining stock, because they also got smashed too. If you look at one of our favorite companies, Sandstorm. Sandstorm Gold just broke support here. This is the 200-day moving average. It broke it on high volume, and the next support is at $3.50. So if you're bullish on this stock, and this is one of our favorite stock that we talked about a lot in the past couple years. So just keep your eye on it, and it's a great time to buy on dip. They just had their conference call a couple of days ago, and they reported good earnings. So I think this stock is in good position here. If you're an investor, this is definitely a time to buy. Now, I posted on our private Facebook group for anybody that want any market ETF, a stock that they want me to look at. I'm happy to do short analysis on. By the way, if you're not a member of our private Facebook group, please be sure to join our group. I'll leave a link below our video so you can join. And it's closed, and it's only for our followers. And we post a lot of our thoughts and insight on the market and what's going on around the world on that site. So definitely join us. So the first stock I'm going to look at is Marathon Oil. And I won't have time to look at the fundamentals for these companies, so I'm just going to look at the stocks. Otherwise, this video is going to be longer than it needs to be. So let's look at Marathon Oil. So Marathon Oil, look at the chart right now. It's in consolidation phase. It's been trading between $16 and $12. So you see the support here at $12. Every time it goes that low, it's been bouncing off. And then you see the resistance here at a little bit above $16. So right now it's in the trading range. So if you like this stock, it's a great time to buy it on the dip. If you're looking for the uptrend, you need to look for the stock to go above $16 on high volume. And this stock, when oil was up around $80 to $90, this stock was $41. So if you still think this company is good, just keep your eye on the trading range. Alright, so the next stock I'm going to look at is Great Panther. This is another request from one of our followers. So Great Panther, right now trading below $2. Let's zoom in and look at the 1 year chart. And right now, as you can see, a pattern forming here, the ascending triangle. Right now, it's on a downtrend, and it's hitting the 200-day moving average support. So if it breaks below that, then look for the stock to continue to go down, possibly below $1. If not, then here's your resistance level up on the upside here. If you get above $1.50 with high volume, then we could see an uptrend here. So right now it's trading sideways. It had a pretty good year mostly because the silver prices went up. So it went from 41 cents all the way up to $2.25. All right. Another request I got, it was to look at the uranium market. So I'm gonna look at a uranium stock, Cameco, CCJ. Now the uranium market has taken a hit ever since the tsunami in Japan and Fukushima's meltdown. So the market has taken a hit, and still hasn't recovered from that. If you can see from the chart, Cameco. Let me zoom. Look at the 5 year chart. Cameco used to be $26. Now it's all the way down to $7. It looks like it's still in a downtrend. Although, if you zoom into the 1 year chart, it had broken the resistance, the 50-day resistance on high volume. So that's good news if you're bullish on this stock. So the next resistance is the 200-day moving average, and they need to break that on a high volume. I've done that a few times, but it was a false move, so because it went back down. So keep your eye on it. Break above 200, maybe we'll see a new uptrend forming, and maybe the uranium market will turn things around and become a bullish market. Another company that another request I got was GDX. Last time I did GDXJ, but I'll do GDX real quick. Again, broke the 200-day moving average support on heavy volume, so just gotta watch out for it and watch out for the next support level around $20. So not much different than the other chart we're looking at for silver and Great Panther. Right now, all the gold and silver stock has broke the support level on heavy volume. And I think this might be the final correction before we see our next uptrend. That's my prediction. We'll see what happens from there. And that's all I got for now. Or one more ETF request I got was the inverse VIX short-term ETF. So you could see here, it looked like the market was about to go on a downtrend before Trump got elected, and then it went on the uptrend, and now it's consolidating around the 50-day moving average. So just gotta watch it now. Just not much you can do here if you're trying to trade this ETF. Just gotta see if it's a break on the upside or downside on heavy volume. So just keep your eye on it for now. I wouldn't trade this ETF. So that's all I have for now, and I appreciate everybody for watching and listening in to this video and all of our podcasts. I'll definitely do another video before the end of the year on the gold and silver market, or any other major breaking news in the market. I'll definitely do another video. All right, thank you.